Hey guys, my name's James Friday, I'm 24 and I'm a session drummer from the UK. I use the Collision 5A and 5AR drumsticks. I've had a bit of a play around over the years with the different models and the different sizes of drumsticks with Collision, and every single pair has lasted me a long time. They're really well balanced and durable, and I would definitely recommend them to any drummer. I tend to use the 5As a lot more. Even over the years experimenting with some of the different sizes and drumsticks, I've always come back to the 5As. However, for some of the heavier projects that I'm working on at the moment, I use the 5ARs because of the extra weight, extra durability and the extra reach. Collision are a fantastic brand with fantastic drumsticks and a real core community of people. The team behind the scenes have gone above and beyond to make this happen, and I'm thrilled to be on board. I'm now going to play a song from one of the bands that I'm currently working with at the moment called Collision. The song is called Move Along. Hope you enjoy.
They never work for themselves. The golden parachute can fly about in themselves. In a twisted paradise, the river surface looked clear, but right beneath the ice, she lived a life beneath here. This natural block of ice compels you not to believe.